Hello, families. Today we are going to use the Bridges whiteboard app to solve a double digit addition problem using the strategy of counting on by tens and then by ones. Our problem is 45 plus 28 equals. So to use this app, you can click here at the bottom of the screen on the three lines. That will allow you to pick the thickness of your open number line. I like the medium size, and whether or not you would like arrows on both ends. I choose the arrows because that shows that numbers go on in both directions forever. Then click on this little slanted line and that will pop out your open number line, and you can stretch it really far as you would like. And here's those arrows on both sides. So once I center that on my page, I'm now ready to use my pen tool. And again, you can choose what color you like. Let's go with green for now. And we are going to look at our problem. What do we already know? Well, we know that we have 45 and we're going to join that with 28. I like to teach my students that we want to take the larger of our two add-ins and use them on the line first. So I'm going to go ahead and click my pen tool again, click my pen tool and write 45, that first larger add-in, over here on my open number line so that I have plenty of room to count on and jump forward. Now we've used our 45, and so we don't really need to look at that add-end again. Now we need to look at what we're joining to that add-end. So just for fun, I'll pick a different color here. Let's go with purple. Click on my pen tool. Now I'm looking at my second add-in that's going to join my 45, 28. I know that the number 28 has two tens in it. I can see a 2 here in my tens place. So I'm going to jump my tens first today. To do that, from my 45, I'm going to create a jump of 10. Sometimes I like to think of these as rainbow jumps since they kind of look like one. And I'm going to put that first 10 from the 20 underneath my jump. So 45 plus 10 equals. Anytime you land on the line, you want to put the number that you are at. So I know that 45 has four tens, and I'm joining one more 10 with that group of four that's already in 45. So that 40 plus 10 will give me 50. And again, my 5 comes along because we're just adding 0 to that 5. So 45 plus 10 equals 55. Now I want to get my second 10 out of this 20. So again, we'll do a nice big rainbow jump of another group of 10. That goes right here underneath my jump. And again, I landed on the line, so I need to put where I'm at. I had 5 tens here already, and I'm joining one more. So now I will have 6 tens. 50 plus 10 is 60. And again, my 5 is joining him because we're not adding anything but 0 to the 5. So now the 20 is here on the line in two groups of 10. Now I would like to add my 8. My 8 is my ones digit. So I'm going to switch to, let's use orange. And I'm going to add my 8. Now I can add my 8 as a group of 8, or I can break that 8 up into other numbers. And that is up to you depending on what strategy you're using. Today we're going to add the 8 as a whole group of 8. So here I was on 65. Now I want to count on 8 more. So I'm going to count in my head up 8 more numbers from 65. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. 65 plus 8 more equals 73. Now I have jumped my 2 tens, here they are, and my 8 ones, here they are, and all together my sum of 45 plus 28 is equal to 73. And I will place that here in where the sum goes. And this is how you can show your work, adding by tens and then by ones on the open number line.